friends and welcome back to RD channel. Today we're going to show you a coin magic trick wherein we first place the coins in each hands and then we go ahead. So we have one coin under this palm and one coin under this palm. Okay, so here's the trick. So now the same thing, and if you can make out, I'll just recenter the screen and the coin disappears. Over here you have two coins. So I'll once again show you the same magic trick. All you have to do and see is look one coin over here, one coin over here, and there you have it, the coin disappears. It's over here. So what's actually the magic trick behind this? All you require is two coins, place them in your palms, place it normally, show them the coins, and then repeat the same procedure. But while repeating, when you close and press your palms down, all you have to do is you have to throw this at a very fast speed so it is not visible to the eye, and then you show them. So I'll try and show this to you. There can you see the coin moving out at a faster rate, and then you can show it. I'll once again show you the trick in a little bit of slow motion. This is how you are supposed to throw the coin. With practice, it will improve. So you can have a look once again. There you have it, and it's gone. Thank you for watching RD channel. Don't forget to subscribe.